Hey guys, today we'll be making Sesame Chikki or sesame bars. They really are my favorite, so let's get started. First, we will need half a cup of brown sesame seeds. Here are the nutritional values of brown sesame seeds. Next, you will need half a cup of black sesame seeds. Here are the nutritional values of black sesame seeds. Next, you will need half a cup of Jaggery powder, sugar or dark brown sugar, 6 cardamom seeds, one teaspoon of ghee or coconut oil, and 1 pinch of salt. To start off, we will toast the sesame seeds for the flavor to come out. Now it's time to dry roast them on the stove on medium-high flame. So you have to dry roast them until they start to pop and have a nice aromatic smell. It's about 10 minutes later and I have dry roasted them. They smell really nice and they have a good color on it. I'm going to put them in a separate bowl and then melt down my jaggery, my ghee, and my salt. To grind my cardamom seeds, I'm going to take my 6 cardamom seeds, take about 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and then blend it together. Now I'll be adding in half a cup of sugar jaggery powder or brown sugar, one teaspoon of ghee, and 1 pinch of salt. Now I will mix it all together and then put it on the stove for it to melt. So here's how the mixture will look. So I cooked it for about 6 to 8 minutes for the perfect texture, and then I will add in my sesame seeds. Once I mix it together, it'll look like this, and then I can put it on a sheet tray and then let that set overnight or for about 4 hours. So now I'm putting my mixture onto a sheet tray, and then I'm going to spread it out using a spoon or a knife. Make sure it is spread evenly. In 30 minutes, you will come back to cut it, so that way it's not too hard to cut it apart into bars. So I let them set overnight and it's the next morning. So here's how they look. They are amazing and they are delicious, and I'm gonna eat one. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.